How to reset your YouTube feed and algorithm? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to refresh your YouTube recommendations on your phone or computer. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Select Manage All History. To reset your recommendations, you'll need to clear your existing YouTube watch history. Tap on Delete. Then select Delete All Time. Review the information and tap Delete to confirm. Now, go back to the YouTube homepage and refresh it. Your recommendations should start changing based on your new activity. Next, use the search bar to find the type of content you want to watch. Open videos that match your interests and watch them for a while. You can also like videos and subscribe to channels that you genuinely want to see more often. As you continue watching relevant content, YouTube will gradually update your recommendations based on your new activity. And that's it. You've successfully refreshed your YouTube feed and started building new recommendations. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more YouTube tips and tutorials.